Let's start with the rain fury that we are seeing, particularly as far as the Jammu division of J&K is concerned. We're talking about 10 people that have died, including 6 people on the Vaishno Devi route after heavy showers triggered a landslide in Jammu and Kashmir's Katra area. Several roads and national highways have now been shut down. Now, we're talking about the national highway between Jammu and Srinagar that closed yesterday, but now even more roads have been shut down. This is due to the pounding rain situation that continues. And do remember, the Met Office has sounded off a warning that continues for the next 24 hours. Several areas in Jammu have reported power outages, which is expected to be restored later in the evening. The water level is flowing above the danger mark in many rivers. This is a warning sign. Of course, the Chief Minister there has now visited, he is going to be visiting these affected areas as well. The rain triggered landslides and mudslides also resulted in the closure, as we're talking about, several key roads. And this has also led to the collapse of the 4th bridge now. This is the 4th bridge from the Bhagwati Nagar side. The Chief Minister has instructed that additional funds be made available to the Deputy Commissioners to cover emergency restoration work and other, measures to be taken as well, because the Met Office has issued a red alert warning for several districts. We're talking about Poonch, we're talking about Rajouri, as well as Kulgam, Riyasi, Jammu, Samba, Kathua, Kishtawar, Udhampur, Ramban, as well as Doda. Doda seems to be the worst impacted so far, but that warning stands for the next 24 hours. My colleague Gurpreet gets us the details.
We are reporting from the road which leads from Pathankot towards Jammu, and we are showing that how the people, they are facing a lot of difficulties. From Pathankot towards Jammu, we can see there is a huge traffic jam, and the vehicle are unable to move towards Jammu. But some of the buses which are coming from Jammu side, we will talk to one of the driver of the bus. तो क्या आगे क्या सिचुएशन क्या है? आप जम्मू से आ रहे हैं?
हम इधर से जा रहे थे जम्मू के लिए, वापस आए हैं।
तो
रास्ता बिल्कुल ब्लॉक है, रोड है सब पानी में बह गई, रोडें सब पानी में बह गई,
सब पानी में बैठ गई। तो कितनी मुश्किल आ रही है? लोग आगे जा पा रहे हैं, नहीं जा पा रहे? तो आप कैसे गए? क्योंकि
वापस आए हैं, अभी गए थे, वापस घुमा के लेके आए हैं। आगे नाजुक हालत है।
अब सर 3 दिन से इधर खड़े हैं, 3 दिन से खड़ी है। परेशानी में उधर से रोकते हैं, फिर छोड़ते हैं, थोड़ी देर फिर रोकते हैं, फिर छोड़ते हैं।
अब कहाँ से आ रहे थे, कहाँ जा रहे हो?
हमारे सर अम्बाला से इधर जाना है सर, कश्मीर। हाँ सर,
3 दिन से यहाँ पे खड़े
से भटक रहे हैं, उधर से डमटाल से यहाँ तक 3 दिन तक पहुँच गए। हाँ 3 दिन।
अभी आगे जाने के लिए मना कर
रहे हैं। देखो पानी कितना है, आगे भी बहुत पानी आ गया है सर।
So once again, I'll request my VJ to keep on showing all these visuals from ground, and this road from where we are reporting at this point of time, this roads go towards Jammu, and we can see the people are being sent back. Those who are able to move towards Lakhanpur, they are being sent back to Pathankot, because what we have learned, the water level has gone up, and that is one of the main reasons why the administration as well as the local authorities, they have decided not to allow a single vehicle to move towards Jammu.
Well, Gurpreet joining us in order to get us more on this. Gurpreet, of course, the situation is only getting worse. We can't say that the worst is behind us, because the Met Office has sounded off that red alert warning. Take us through what is the situation on the ground this morning.
Well, right now we are reporting on this highway that is from that goes from Pathankot towards Jammu. First of all, I'll request my VJ to show all the ground visual. We have seen the NDRF team has already been reached here, and the water level has already gone up to the danger mark, and we have seen there is a huge chaos on this road. The people, they have been stranded for the last whole night. They are not able to move towards Jammu. What we have learned, the most of the roads have already been washed away, and that is one of the main reasons why they have decided not to allow anybody to move towards Jammu. This area which we are showing at this point of time, this is called Kailashpur village, where we have seen multiple families have already been trapped in the water, and we have seen the NDRF team has already reached here to rescue a lot of families. So we have our local residents with us, we will talk to them. तो क्या सिचुएशन है, कितने के परिवार है जो यहाँ पे जो अंदर ट्रैप हो गया रात के?
मेन तो थोड़े ही परिवार हैं जिनको उन्होंने रेस्क्यू कर लिया हुआ है। बाकी हमारी काउंसिल की टीम और हमारे एमसी साहब और पूरा सुजानपुर उनके साथ है। जेसीबी लगाई हुई है, ट्रैक्टर ट्रालियाँ भी अरेंज की हुई है उनके लिए। तो मैं लोगों से ये अपील करती हूँ कि बिना काम के अपने घर से बाहर ना निकलें, क्योंकि ये तो कुदरती आपदा है, इसका सामना तो पूरा शहर कर रहा है।
अभी देख रहे हैं एनडीआरएफ की टीम भी आ गई है यहाँ पे। एनडीआरएफ की टीम बुलाई गई है ताकि जो लोग घर पे हैं उनको बचाया जाए, कहीं रिलीफ कैंप में भेजा जाए।
बिल्कुल, हमारी नगर कौंसिल की तरफ से भी अरेंज किए हुए हैं। जो हमारा कम्युनिटी हॉल है, जैसे आरएस गार्डन है, वहाँ पे भी थोड़े शरणार्थियों को उन्होंने रखा हुआ है। तो मैं ये लोगों से निवेदन करूँगी, अगर किसी को किसी भी चीज़ की ज़रूरत है, हमारी कौंसिल की टीम, हमारा पूरा शहर उनके साथ है। वो कभी भी आके हमें आके अपनी मदद के लिए कह सकते हैं।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। तो क्या सिचुएशन क्या है ग्राउंड पे, क्या लग रहा है कि क्योंकि कितने के परिवार है अंदर जो फंसे?
ਪਰਿਵਾਰ ਤਾਂ ਸਰ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੈ। ਸਿਚੁਏਸ਼ਨ ਇਸ ਟਾਈਮ ਤੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਮਾੜੀ ਹੈ, ਪਾਣੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ। ਕਾਫੀ ਪਰਿਵਾਰ ਫਸ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਨੇ, ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੱਢਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਪ੍ਰਧਾਨ ਹੋਰੀ ਐਨਡੀਆਰਐਫ ਵਗੈਰਾ ਟੀਮ ਆ ਗਈ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਲੱਗੇ ਨੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੱਢਣ। ਬਾਕੀ ਹੁਣ पानी पिछों घटेगा तो फिर ही बचा।
लोग हम देख रहे हैं, मैं अपने कैमरामैन साथी को कहूँगा तस्वीरें दिखाएं। कुछ लोग घर की छत पे खड़े हैं, अपनी रूफ पे खड़े हैं, तो क्या वो लोग रात के ट्रैप
रात के खड़े हैं? अभी वो निकालने के लिए टीम आ गई है, लगे हुए हैं। हाँ,
well, I'll request my Vijay to come along with me to show how the NDRF is continuing this rescue operation. They have started this rescue operation, and this is the national highway which leads from Amritsar towards Jammu, from where we are reporting at this point of time. We can also see even the ambulance vehicle is not being allowed at this point of time. What we have learned from Pathankot authorities, they say they are totally in touch with the Jammu Kashmir authorities, and they have learned the road had already been washed away. So here from the Kailashpur village, from where we are reporting at this point of time, showing that how this water level is going above the danger mark, and that is one of the main reasons why the vehicles are not being allowed to move towards Jammu. So let's see when the road will be cleared and when they are going to get a green signal from the authorities. But as of now, what we are reporting, what we have been seeing from last night onwards, there is a total block on this road because they have learned the road had been washed away from the various locations, and that is one of the main reasons why they are not allowing a single vehicle to move towards Jammu. Back to studio.